Hello, hello. It is a beautiful day here in Denver, and I'm so excited. The sun is shining. It's a little crisp out. I'm wearing like a long sleeve, like waffle net thing. Like it's just fantastic. Yeah. Today we're gonna play with the Alame Smart Shade Skin Tone Matching Makeup. Now, I have definitely used this in the past. This used to be my favorite foundation because I didn't have to worry about, I struggle. I think everybody struggles with matching their skin, getting the right color match, getting the right shade. So this is a color matching foundation. So I used to love this. I honestly don't know why I stopped using this, but I haven't used it in a while. So I wanted to use it on camera and just let's see if it's still my favorite. And I wanted to test it out on camera for you guys. So that's what we're gonna do today. But yeah, this used to be fantastic. Let's read about it. We'll put it on. Okay, so this is $12.48 on Amazon. I got the shade 200 light medium. They only have 3 shades because it's skin adapting. Okay, here we go. Details, highlights, lightweight formula starts out white and instantly transforms into your ideal foundation shade. Natural streak-free medium coverage foundation with a luminous glow that builds. Almay's tone mimic technology uses tiny spheres that break open and release pigment as you blend them over your skin. As always, our clean foundation is dermatologist tested, non-comedogenic, hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, cruelty-free. How to use. Use your fingers to simply dot on and blend Smart Shade skin tone matching makeup into your skin for a natural finish. That's it. Makeup artist tip. Place the dots at the center of your face and blend outward toward the edges for the smoothest finish. I'm so excited to try this again. Let's just go ahead and do it. I'm gonna put on just a little bit of concealer. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Crayon. You know, I've been liking this. It's very, very light coverage. So if you're looking for like hiding those bags, those dark circles completely, this is not gonna be your jam. But I like it, especially when I'm just like reviewing foundations, because like it just gives that like little extra pop. And it's so quick and easy to blend. That's what I like it. I'm just gonna take my swatch, put it on half the face, and we're gonna start blending. I'm just gonna grab a brush, see it goes on white. I'm gonna start moving it around. Do you see this? It like amazes me every freaking time. I'm just gonna build up a little bit more because I have like a breakout right here. Oh, my nose is so dry right now. I'm actually gonna go put on a little bit of moisturizer so it's not flaky on camera. Oh God, does anybody else's nose get so dry? Like it's just flaky. Oh my God. So this is it applied, blends into your skin beautifully. Look, so it like evened me out. It's very light coverage. I've never built it up because I like light coverage, but it sits so nicely on the skin. I feel like, I don't know if it's because of my skin tone or because of the product, but I do feel like it shifts just a little bit pink. So keep that in mind, but I don't mind it because it looks so good. Like, I don't know, it's just exactly what I'm looking for. It just evens you out a little bit, gives you that extra little bit of sun protection. Okay, I'm gonna apply the other side of the face and I'll be right back. If anybody has tips to moisturize your nose, because it just gets so flaky this time of year in winter because my skin just gets so dry, please let me know because I would love to hear it. I don't know why I stopped using this. It looks so nice on the skin. We're still gonna do a wear test, so I'm gonna show you how this wears. Now I've definitely gotten a little bit more into setting my foundation and concealer, well, not really concealers, but foundation concealers with powder. So I don't ever remember setting this, and I felt like it did okay. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna powder half the face, and then we're gonna not powder the other side of the face, and we'll just see which side we like better at the end of the day. And then, yeah, so let me get a little bit of powder. We're gonna use the Fenty powder, because it's right here on my desk. She's messy boots, we know this. I'm gonna do a little light set on half the face. I feel like I'm swallowing powder. I feel like there's powder in my mouth. Okay, so here's the powdered side. So obviously it's gonna be more blurring to start with, more matte. This is just a little bit more dewy. But just looking in the mirror, both sides look really nice. So you can do either way, but we'll go throughout the day and we'll see how it wears on both sides. I'm just gonna do a little bit of bronzer off camera, but I'm gonna finish up, carrying through my day. I have a couple meetings, emails, you know the drill, and I'll be back. I am back. It's been several hours. I've been working, meetings, went to the grocery store, and I'll give you a close-up look. It is still looking really good. I'm getting a little oily right here. I did use some blotting sheets. P.S. These are really good blotting sheets, the Winky Lux blotting sheets. I think they were like $5 and you get 100 in here, and they have like matcha. They smell like matcha. They smell interesting, but anyway, they really help control oil. I've never really used blotting sheets before, and I really like them. So this is a nice little tip. I'm really liking these, but I am getting a little oily here. I did blot a little bit because I had a Zoom meeting and then I had to film. So I'm getting a little bit oily again, but it's still holding true. Like, I really like this foundation. Like, this is my favorite foundation. It's just light coverage. It evens you out. It's got a little sunscreen in it. I can't say enough good things about it. I like a lot of stuff from Almay. I like their concealer. The one with the teal cap, it's like the one that's supposed to help fight acne, but I do like it under the eye. I don't know if you're supposed to use that or not. I haven't used it in a while, but I really liked that. And then also their loose powder is pretty good, and I've been using that quite a bit. I don't know if a review is going to be up before or after I put this review up, but I did a review on it and I liked it. And you can save some money and you get a big jar of powder. So I'm really liking Almay products. And yeah, I love this foundation. Like, if you're looking for a light, natural coverage and you don't want to worry about like finding the exact shade match, like, I don't know, I'm just super into this. So definitely one of my faves. Yeah, so thank you so much for joining me on this one. I will link down below a playlist to all my other reviews so you can check those out. Hit that subscribe button. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8 a.m. Mountain Time. And yeah, leave in the comments below what you want me to review. Thank you so much for joining me again, and I will check you on the next one.